Whatever. I mean,
A dirt bike? A dirt bike?
Yeah. It's a dirt bike.
Dude. One or two people are armed.
One.
Is he armed?
I have an axe.
Is he armed?
She has an axe.
Perfect.
I've hit her several times. Doesn't seem to be working. She's shooting me. I'm on the bike. Not moving very quickly.
Why is it fucked up?
Yeah, it is. She can run faster than you can ride it. So naturally, she's like running next to me with her hatchet, trying to hit me.
Yeah.
Go away! It's my bike now. Go away! I took it. It's mine. Go away! Go away! I see you're bleeding. You enjoying that blood loss? I'm gonna die on this bike. I've got 800 blood. I'm gonna die. But I got your bike for a few seconds. I loved it. It was wonderful.
Is she responding?
She killed me.
Bitch, or die.
She killed you.
She's dying too. She's about to die.
Good.